Alright, so for today, we have a very special topic that is introduced by Unnati ji, and this is one of the very important stuff. So generally, I will go out of the schedule to discuss about this thing because Unnati ji is having this particular thing, and that is related to the Muhurta. So today's class, we will digress a bit and we will go on to do the Muhurta thing, how the Muhurta works, etc. Generally speaking, there are three things that needs to be like taken there. Two, three things that are important. The first thing that is important is the natal chart promise. Then there is a muhurta. Like this is how to fix a quick muhurta and do the thing accordingly is the topic for today. Mhm. So regarding muhurta, when it comes to the knowledge of muhurta, what I will say is the most important thing that I will give importance to is the Ashtakvarga chart. So generally, when you see a horoscope, take example for the horoscope of Unnati ji, right? So we are just taking the horoscope of Unnati ji today. So this is the horoscope of Unnati ji, right? And now two, three factors needs to be understood before we go. Jupiter will change sign in 1 year. Sun will change sign in 1 month, and Moon will change sign in almost 2 days. That you can say, right? So first of all, what we have to check, we have to just understand one particular thing. These are the Ashtagvarga plates that you can see in front of you, these plates, right? The signs having more than 4 points are considered good, 4 point is considered mediocre, less than 4 point is considered bad. So what we are supposed to do is like, for example, right now Jupiter is in Capricorn and Capricorn is having 5 points. So this year, when the Jupiter is in Capricorn, this year is very good for Unnati ji, right? So year check. After that, we go to the month part. Now month is decided by Sun, and right now Sun is in Aquarius. So in the Ashtaka of Sun, we see the sign of Aquarius is having 4 points. That is okay, mediocre. And the next sign of Pisces is having 6 points. And the next point of the next Rashi of Aries is also having 4 points. The next Rashi of Taurus is also having 4 points, right? So the Sun is good this month also, next month also, next month also, even next to next month also, right? So this Sun is also very good. Now we have to come to the transit of Moon. So if we see the chart for today, in today's chart, Moon is in Sagittarius. When we go to the chart of Unnati ji, we will find that in Sagittarius Rashi, Moon is having 4 points. And today Moon is in like 0 degree Sagittarius. So tomorrow he will be completely into Sagittarius. And Sagittarius in the chart of Unnati ji, in the Ashtaka of Unnati ji is having, in the Moon's Ashtaka of Unnati ji, Sagittarius is having 4 points. So by the time moon is in Sagittarius, she can get the thing done. Moon in Capricorn will have 1 point, so Capricorn have to be avoided. Moon in Aquarius is good with 5 points. That should be taken. Moon in Pisces is very good with 7 points. That should also be taken. That should also be chosen. Understood up to this extent? Now, one sign, any sign will have at least 3 nakshatras. There are 3 nakshatras per sign, right? For an example, right now, we have moon just entering Sagittarius, that will be Moola nakshatra. And in Sagittarius, there will be Purvashada nakshatra also and Uttarashada nakshatra also. Now, in these 3 nakshatras, like moon will be crossing 1 nakshatra per day. That is the normal speed. Now, we have to go to the chart of Unnati ji. And then we have to see Navatara. So, Navatara is a type of a chakra. We have to see the Navatara table. Right click here and you see Navatara from moon. See, although we have to take the stronger between the Lagna and the moon, that is one of the things. Right? But normally, the transit of moon seen from moon. So, Navatara from moon. I will be teaching it slowly, so that we can grasp it, right? And if you have any confusion, ask it then and there. Navatara from moon. Now, in this, we can see the meaning, right? The Vipak Tara is danger, that is bad. Pratek Tara is obstacle, that is bad. Nathan Tara is death, that is bad, right? So, generally, the Vipak Tara, Pratek Tara, and Nathan Tara is bad. 3 Taras are bad. And the moon have just entered Sagittarius. Moon have just entered Sagittarius, and in that Sagittarius, first she will go through now. If so, moon have entered Sagittarius, that is on 0 degrees, and Sagittarius will have Moola Nakshatra, Urvashada Nakshatra, and Uttarashada Nakshatra. And from the table, we can see Moola Tara is Nidhan Tara, right? So that Nidhan, so we have to ignore. The next Purvashada and the next Uttarashada is good. So in the Sagittarius, we have to take either the moon in Purvashada or we have to take the moon in Uttarashada, right? So we take the current chart and we see moon to cross the Mula Nakshatra. So I will like, hour, 1 hour next, 2 hour next. We'll keep on increasing the time for the moon to cross the Mula Nakshatra. And right at this point of time, moon goes to Purvashada Nakshatra, right? So let me note the time. Let me note the time in the notepad. March 7, 2021, 22, 27, 28. Moon in Purvashada. Okay. The next nakshatra Uttarashada will also be good, right? Because that will be Atimitra Tara. But some part of Uttarashada will also come into Capricorn, and as we have seen, Capricorn is not good. So we only have to take up to the part of Uttarashada in Sagittarius. So now we will wait for the moon to go out. Let me add 1 day. And our March 9, 2021 up to 2/27/28. Moon in Sagittarius, right? So now we have a span. Let me save this chart. Here we go. Up to this time, right? From March 7, night 10:27, up to March 9, morning 2:27, the moon is in Sagittarius. That means the whole day of March 8 is there for us, right? March 8 is what? March 8 is Monday. So the complete Monday we have for the stuff. Now in this complete Monday thing, I am writing it down on a notepad that you are technically not able to see, right? Because there is some other thing going on the stuff as well. Okay. Now we have one particular day that we have found to be very right. Understood up to this extent, right? We have one very clear day. Now in that one day, there will be a particular office timing only. If you have to choose, there will be a particular office timings only, right? Let's suppose the office time is from 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening. Now what needs to be done? We have to select the what? We have to select the ascendant. That is the first important thing, right? Once again, we will go back to the chart of Unnati ji. Coming to the Ashtak Varga of the ascendant, the sign Cancer, the sign Scorpio, the sign Aquarius, and the sign Pisces will be very good as the ascendant. Right. So let me make a chart for March 8. March 8. Okay, because March 8 was a good day. March 8, and let me take the time is morning, 6 in the morning, or rather say 10. For the whole of the India, ascendant will be almost the same, so I'm not changing the place. So in the morning, there is Taurus Lagna. in the whole day, the yeah, in the chart of Unnati ji, which ascendants were good? The nearest ascendant to Taurus, Cancer was good, right? The Cancer was a good ascendant. If we go by the chart, so we will once open the Muhurta chart, and we will try to take the Lagna to Cancer, move to the next sign, move change birth time to move the Lagna to the next sign, right? Now we get Cancer as the Lagna, that is from 2744 in the afternoon for the next 2 hours 21 minutes, right? So by this particular way, we are also clear with the ascendant, right? Understood up to this extent? Now in the ascendant, what we generally do is either we take a Vargottam ascendant, that is Cancer in the D1 and Cancer in the D9. So for how much time the Navamsha Lagna will be in the same sign, right click, and when the Lagna will change sign in Navamsha, 15 minutes, right? So from 27 to the next 15 minutes. So from 27 to 222 is what we can say. Is the time when it will be a Vargottam Lagna that should be chosen for vaccination. If we cannot be very specific about the time, because many times you cannot be very specific about the time, right? So in that scenario, just take it 2 hours after 2 to 7 p.m., right? So for the ascendant, like if we can actually select the time, the exact time when we want to get the thing done, we either take the Vargottam Lagna. So in the complete 2.5 hour span, per ascendant is approximately 2.5 hour, right? So in the complete 2.5 hour span, we will only have 15 minutes as the Vargottam. After that, 15 minutes, what can we choose? Getting my point? Because in this chart, like for this Cancer Lagna chart, the 15 minutes can only come in the starting. And for the next 2 hour, 15 minutes to 2 hour, 30 minutes, there will be no next thing, right? Just a second. Mhm. So, like after the Vargottama ascendant, you can choose two other slots, that is the Pushkar Lagna. And Pushkar is generally a combination of D1 and D9. Pushkar is a combination of D1 and D9. To find that, we go to Pushkaramsha and Pushkar Bhaga. And we have to see Lagna in Pushkaramsha, right? So for
गांधी जी के सर चार्ट में देखे थे इतने सारे पुष्कर आशा। गांधी जी के चार्ट में देखे थे हमने इतने सारे पुष्कर आशा में।
yes, yes.
You had said that pushkar amsha means a special sort of a blessing.
Uh-huh.
एंड इन गांधी जी चार्ट वी हैड सीन कि उनके चार्ट में भी ऐसे 4 या 5 प्लैनेट्स थे पुष्कर अंशा में.
Okay. So Puskaramsha is a Muhurta condition, right? Puskaramsha is a Muhurt based condition, and generally birth is a very special event, right? So when your birth is at a very good time, the chart is strong, and when the birth is at a very weak time, the chart is weak. Let me tell you, when I taught the Panchang course, this was the first thing that I told, that if you are born in a good Muhurta, all the Raj Yogas and all the good yogas will work. But if you are born at a wrong time, right? Like if your birth time itself was inauspicious, then what to talk of Raj Yoga? Getting my point? Because we will see many horoscope with Raj Yogas, right? 10th Lord, suppose 10th Saturn is exalted. Saturn will remain exalted for 2.5 years. And for 2.5 years, every person born in the Taurus Lagna and every person born in the Aries Lagna is having that 10th Lord exalted, right? So will every one of them become a very super, getting my point, very super rich or highly influential person? They cannot. All the game is in Panchanga, because if your birth of time itself is inauspicious, then how is your birth? Getting my point? Getting my point? Understood it or not, right? So that is the importance of the Muhurta in the birth chart analysis also. I have a complete course on this, right? So you can do that, right? Coming to the Unnatiji's topic. The Lagna Vargottama and Lagna Pushkar is same for Cancer Lagna, Cancer ascendant, right? So that particular 15 minutes from 2-7 p.m. is very, very, very special. You know, Natiji? Now, in any sign, there will be at least 2 Puskaramsha. So one is this that we find, right? The Vargottama and the Puskaramsha is the same. And for other, you can keep on move the sign to the next sign. Because as I told you, the Puskaramsha is dependent on the Lagna and Navamsha combination. So rather than moving the Lagna, I am moving the Navamsha, right? And the second Puskaramsha comes with Cancer ascendant and Virgo Navamsha Lagna. That starts from 239, take it as 240. And the next 15 minutes, right? So this is the second good time between this 2 and 30 hours span, right? One sign will only have 2 Puskaramsha, and after this 2 Puskaramsha, there will be no other Puskaramsha. Getting my point? So this is the, this is the concept of personal Muhurta. That is recommended, that is also recommended in the classics of Vedic astrology, and can be very benefitingly used for the benefit in your day-to-day life, right? Understood or not?
तो मतलब सर अभी ये देखने के लिए सिर्फ ये 3 देखना है कि जुपिटर फिर
हाँ.
एंड मून। तो दूसरी चीज है, जैसे मैं सोच रही थी कि मेरा मंगल अच्छा नहीं है, तो मैंने वो मंगलवार को करना, तो ये सब सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है।
इसमें इसमें जनरली अब उन्नति जी, what is the case, like when we have a whole lot of option, like if I have to make a home, I have ample time to lay the foundation because I have a property already. So in that scenario, what I will do, I will first use this principle. Now using this principle, suppose like in your chart 4 months are good.
हम्म,
Now for that particular year, I will take the dates for all the 4 months, every date in all the 4 months, right? And then I will look at the calendar, and as I see Mars is bad for my chart, so I will rule out all the days which falls on Tuesday. When I have ample time, I will do that, because in Muhurta there is a rule that the perfect Muhurta is never there. There is no perfect Muhurta even in thousands of years. So we take the most suitable Muhurta based on the time and this thing. Getting my point? So like if I have only 3 days to choose from, I will rather only take the nakshatra transit of moon only. If I have 1 month to choose from, then I will take the Rashi transit of moon. If I have 4 or 5 months to do, I will take all the transit of sun also. If I have 2 or 3 years to do, I will take the transit of sun. And depending on how much free time we are having.
जी।
Like along with this, there are also rules of you should not be doing something when it is a Rikta Tithi, or when it is a right. You should not be doing it when it is a Rikta Tithi. You should not be doing it when it is a Bhadra Tithi, etc. You should not be doing it on Amavasya, etc. There are multiple rules like this also, and we only consider those rules when we have ample time. Like if you don't have ample time, and it's like for an example, when I met my guru, who taught me Shaptashati, he told me one particular thing that for the worship of Devi, it is told that the Tuesday coinciding with the Tuesday coinciding with Ashwini Nakshatra is very auspicious, and to worship Devi, you should take Tuesday coinciding with Ashwini Nakshatra. Now he said, suppose you are in such a problem that Tuesday coinciding with Ashwini Nakshatra will be very difficult to find. Bhaum Ashwini. So he said, like, suppose you are suffering from a disease and you have to do the thing earlier. Then find the nearest Ashwini Nakshatra day, and in that Ashwini Nakshatra day, choose the Hora of Mars. So that is even more feasible for you. But suppose you cannot even wait for 1 month. Suppose if the moon is in Bharni, then he will come to Ashwini after 27-28 days. Suppose you even don't have that much time. In that scenario, Unnati, what happens? Like there are 30 muhurtas in a day and night. And per muhurta is ruled by one nakshatra, generally. Like for an example, I have to use Astro Guide for this. Just a second. So for an example, right now, it is Vairaj Nakshatra, Vairaj Muhurta, which is ruled by Purvashada. So every day there are 30 muhurtas, and 30 muhurtas, 20 nakshatras plus few nakshatras gets repeated. So right now it is Purvashada. From 10:25 p.m. to 11:14 p.m. it is a Purvashada. Muhurta that's correlated to Purvashada. So generally when we even don't have that much time to wait for 1 month, we can take this Muhurta based nakshatra and the Hora of the planet and can do the thing. So depending on the type of free space that we are having, we have to choose accordingly for this stuff. And so depending on how much freedom we are having to do it. But I specifically request you people to because I want you people to I practice astrology, if not for the world, then at least for your own self. That is the good way of learning it, right? So you, all of you have my mail address. Pretty sure, right? Because I have just sent you a mail. So, any question that you people have, I will love to have them in the mail. And so actually I get an idea now where to proceed next. Otherwise, I will not have any idea. So I will do things according to, like Unnati ji gave a very good suggestion. So very soon I should be doing, I or Abhilasha should be doing a quick muhurta on, like how to select the muhurta if you want to do something. Because I just realized that, yeah, this can be a problem. So, such things that comes to your mind, please drop me a mail, because mails are better to have it. No? In the WhatsApp conversation, what will happen after 1 month, that conversation will go up and then I have to ask and then you will lose your phone and the conversation is lost. So that is a very good thing, right? Please do this. Drop